Hi guys! For today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng aking order from TikTok. And you know what guys? I was surprised kasi meron siyang 4 na libreng hand cream. Of course, kasama na dyan ang nicotinamide and silk essence soap na gawa sa goat milk. Siyempre, ito na yung shower lotion Sakura Niacinamide Body Lotion Whitening that moisturize and nourishing for all skin types. Shower Sakura lotion that nourished our body with soothing fragrance that improve dryness and smoothness of our skin. A body lotion that improves moisture, leaving your skin feels soft, smooth, and delicately scented with cherry blossom. Guys, huwag mo nang patagalin. Order ka na. Click the link na nasa caption. Nagpapa-buy one take one sila at may pa-free pa. Kaya go!